guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an after dark and relaxing clean with me. I know that these videos help a lot of you with stress and anxiety, so that's what I've done for you guys today. I hope you enjoy it. If you are new, please subscribe. It helps my channel and it is free to do, and that way I can keep on making videos like this for you guys. I do really enjoy it, so I would love to have you be a part of our community here. But yeah, on this night, I was about to make dinner and I wanted to pick up the living room and get that clean, and then I did make dinner. I made a really delicious spaghetti recipe that I'm going to share with you, and then I cleaned up the kitchen and everything. So if you want to see that, then I hope you will just keep on watching.
As long as I've got you, I'm not letting it fade. Don't go looking for reason.
So while I have you guys here, I wanted to ask you for some input on a new show for me to binge watch. The last time I asked this, somebody mentioned Dr. Foster, and I watched both seasons in like a week. It was really good. It was really weird, but it was really good. I actually did like it a lot. So now I need a new show. I've watched the show You on Netflix and I really enjoyed that one as well, but I need a new one. So if you guys want to leave me some suggestions in the comments, I would really appreciate it. Thank you.
Waiting on the day when we got nothing to say, when there's no one to blame. I'm not letting it fade, so don't go looking for reason, asking for change. We got good things coming. Put your faith in me, so keep on going. We got good things coming our way. Don't go looking for reason.
So now I'm going to go ahead and get out my stuff to make the spaghetti. I do use Home Chef. They are a meal kit delivery service. If you guys have been with me for a while, you already know how much I love them. But the way they work is you can just go on their website. You can pick from their menu. They have so many options. So that is really nice. They're really customizable in that way. And I'm doing the spaghetti. I've done this one before. It is so good. So as soon as I seen it come up on the menu, I jumped on it. It's really easy to make also. So that's another thing I love about it. So I'm going to show you kind of how to make this recipe if you want to write it down and follow along with me and make it on your own. But the reason I love Home Chef is because they make it so convenient. They send me all the ingredients. They're all pre-measured and they're all like organic and super fresh in quality. So it's healthy as well, but they just make it simple, and that's what I need in my life. They come to be about $10 a serving, which I feel is very reasonable because if you consider going out to eat and each meal is around $10, plus you have to pay the tip, plus you're paying for drinks, it can be expensive to go out to eat with your family these days. So this is another option. This is an alternative. So definitely think about Home Chef in your household if you want to change things up. And if you use my code, you can actually save $80 because they are giving $20 off your first 4 boxes, which is a really great deal. So you can try it. You can try some different recipes and see if you like it. And then you're winning because you don't have a lot to lose because of that coupon. It's really great. So in this recipe, these are all the things that it came with. It's going to be a roasted red pepper spaghetti. Now, I'm very picky, and so are my girls. I don't like peppers, so I actually didn't end up using the peppers, so you won't see those in mine, but if you like peppers, you'll want to go ahead and get those or use them. So these are the little garlic pieces, and that's not what they're called, is it? Garlic pieces. I'm an idiot. Garlic cloves. There we go. And I'm just mincing those up, and then I'm taking and cutting the bread in half, and I'm going to go ahead and take olive oil and the minced garlic and mix it up and coat my bread, and then just toast that in the oven. And then I went ahead and started cooking my spaghetti. I crushed up my croutons because you do want to get some croutons. It's really good. Oh, so good. So crush up those croutons, boil your spaghetti, and then you're going to go ahead and make your sauce in frying pan, and I will show you how I did that in a second. Okay, so I'm taking a tablespoon of olive oil, and then I put in the other half of my minced garlic because I only used half of it for the bread. And then I dumped this entire pack of red pepper flakes in there. Whoops, don't do that. It was very spicy spaghetti. It still tasted good, but whoa, it was spicy. If you like really spicy, maybe you could do that, but I don't. So it didn't ruin it, but it was very spicy. So you're supposed to bring that to a really good simmer, and then you're going to go ahead and add in your tomato paste. I think that's about 2 tablespoons. And then add in some cream, and gosh guys, I can't remember how much cream that was. That's why I like Home Chef, because they do all it for me. I don't have to do any measuring, but I put in the cream, and then I stirred it all together and brought that to a good simmer, and then it basically just thickens up, and then your sauce is good to go. You're also going to pour in some Parmesan cheese that for some reason I don't think I got on film. But here is the completed recipe. It is so good. Now that I'm like editing this, I'm seriously craving it. So I can't wait for it to come back up on the menu, but I did have some wine with it and it was perfect. So if you guys want to check out Home Chef, you can check out the description box. Make sure you use my code so you can save some money. But I truly do love their service. They have great food, so definitely give it a try.
Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way.
As you can see there on my clock, it was 9:30 at this point. That is the magic of editing. I had not cleaned up from supper. We had finished supper. I got the girls down for bed, and then I ended up having a phone call with a friend of mine because I ended up having a really bad night, you guys. Sometimes stuff happens. So I didn't get back in here to clean up until later. That's why it's 9:30. But yeah, you'll see in a second while I'm doing the dishes, I'm talking to my good friend Mandy from Mandy in the Making. If you guys like cook with me's and stuff like that, her channel's where it's at. So you definitely would want to go check out Mandy's channel. I'll link it for you in the description if you're interested. But in a second, you'll see her setting up on my sink and talking to me and just trying to make me feel better because I'd had such a bad night. But yeah, I'm just washing the dishes up, and I'm gonna let them dry on this towel, and then I usually will go ahead and put them up the next morning.
That brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
Together we can go crazy. We can put out the lights. Together we can go, we can go. I look straight in your eyes, and everything is so hazy. It is just you and I, and everything is so, so call me out, baby. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want more. You're one of a kind. Nobody's breaking your spirit. You're looking so fine. Nobody's breaking your. You're keeping up with steps I take, so we just dance alone. Yeah, we dance like no one's watching. So call me out, baby. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I'm feeling alright. Now I got you and I want. So call me out, baby.
I hope you guys enjoyed this relaxing after dark clean with me and the recipe. Don't forget to check out the description box for the link to Home Chef. Also, please don't forget to subscribe before you head out. It is free. Thank you again. Thanks for all of your support. And hey, check out the description box. I have linked a couple other videos for you guys if you want to watch some more stuff. So I will see you in my next video.
Now I got you in.